Artificial intelligence is everywhere, especially in the form of conversational models like ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how they actually function? Today, we're diving deep into the technology powering these impressive tools. At the core, models like ChatGPT rely on sophisticated AI architectures that process massive amounts of data to learn patterns, language, and context. ChatGPT is a type of large language model, or LLM, which are designed to understand, generate, and respond to human-like text by learning the intricacies of language. The secret sauce behind modern LLMs is an architecture called the Transformer model, introduced in 2017. This framework allows the models to handle sequence data, like text, incredibly efficiently. Training an LLM is a complex, multi-stage process that begins with feeding it enormous datasets to learn grammar, facts, and conversational structure. First, the model is exposed to massive datasets, typically comprising billions of words scraped from the internet, books, and articles. This is how it learns language. Before training, text must be converted into a language the computer understands, numerical data. This process, called tokenization, breaks text into smaller units like words or subwords or tokens. The core of pre-training is an unsupervised learning task, predicting the next token in a sequence. By doing this repeatedly across vast datasets, the model develops a deep statistical understanding of language. Let's look closer at the transformer architecture itself. It's designed to process sequences in parallel, allowing it to handle long-range dependencies in language much better than previous models. The most crucial innovation is the attention mechanism. This allows the model to weigh the importance of different words in the input text when processing any single word, improving contextual relevance. In self-attention, the model looks at other words in the input sequence to better encode the meaning of a specific word, ensuring context isn't lost over long sentences. The original transformer has an encoder and decoder, but models like GPT primarily use a simplified decoder-only structure, which is optimized for generating text sequentially. After the initial pre-training, the model is not quite ready for public use. It needs a crucial second step: fine-tuning and alignment to behave safely and follow instructions effectively. This alignment is largely achieved through reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Human trainers rank the model's responses, and this feedback teaches the model which outputs are preferred. RLHF is vital for making the model helpful, honest, and harmless, ensuring it doesn't generate toxic or misleading content and truly understands user intent. Once the model is trained and aligned, generating a response is about predicting the next best token one step at a time based on the user's prompt. The user's input, or prompt, is fed into the model. The model then uses the context of the prompt to predict the most statistically likely and relevant next word. The model continues this sequence generation, token by token, until it reaches a logical stopping point or a predefined maximum length. The temperature setting controls creativity. A low temperature makes the model deterministic, choosing the most likely words, while a high temperature encourages it to explore less probable, more creative options. So, while it feels like magic, AI models like ChatGPT are incredibly complex statistical machines designed to predict the next word in a sequence. These models rely on massive pre-training data, the efficient transformer architecture, and human feedback to achieve their seemingly intelligent conversations by continuously predicting the most appropriate next token. As these models evolve, they will continue to push boundaries, but remember, they are still limited by the data they are trained on and the human values they are aligned with.